Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Linen Wallet application on your Android phone. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. First of all, open your Play Store and go to the search box and type in Linen and search. Look for this application that says Linen Safe Crypto DeFi Wallet from Linen Mobile Inc. Once you find this application in the search result, tap on the install button to begin downloading the app. Always make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet so that the application will download faster. Once the app is downloaded and it is ready for use, you will be able to see the open button which you should press on, and you will be able to launch open Linen Wallet application for your Android. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.